the channel if you're new, or if you're not, I'm Alyssia and I am stoked you're here either way. Today we are talking immune system support via green smoothies, but I wanted to make them extra fun with a splash of color. So while I am sharing 4 different green smoothies that are all designed using ingredients specifically with immune system health in mind, you actually get 8 smoothie recipes because of those colorful smoothie toppers. This video was made possible by Athletic Greens, which is a daily supplement made of 75 vitamins, minerals, and whole food sourced ingredients. So it naturally includes adaptogens, antioxidants, prebiotics, probiotics, digestive enzymes, and a superfood complex. It's vegan, gluten, egg, and dairy free, so it can fit right in with most people's lifestyles, and it's a great way to add to our immunity boosting efforts. I am going to show you a couple of smoothies with the product and a couple without. So whether you are excited to try it out or not, there is something here for you and immune health. Let's start with an orange basil smoothie. The immune boosting ingredients of the base are basil, parsley, frozen pineapple, yogurt, honey, pumpkin seeds, and orange juice and zest. So much nutrition and variety blended into one, and we cannot forget the top of the smoothie for a pop of color. It's just frozen banana, orange juice, baby carrots, and roast sweet potato. If you choose to layer the smoothies like I'm doing today, you wanna make sure that they are thick enough for the bottom layer to support the top. It helps to make sure that your fruit is really frozen. Start with less liquid rather than more, and if you need to thicken any of these up after the fact, just add a spoon of coconut flour and mix it up. I think the layering adds a nice touch, and when my food looks appealing, I enjoy it and its benefits more. The basil flavor in this pairs so well with the citrus and makes me wish it were summer already. Next up, a tropical coconut smoothie. This one starts with a scoop of Athletic Greens. One great thing for me about Athletic Greens is that it can really replace your daily multivitamin. I actually started taking quite a few supplements in the last 6 months, specifically for immune system support health. I shared a lot of those in an Instagram story last month. I have not gotten sick in probably, I'm not even kidding, 9 months, I believe, from this regimen, and I was surprised and excited to see that Athletic Greens had almost all of those supplements included. Not only is it an all-in-one supplement, but since I'm not taking the capsules, there aren't any synthetics from the pills or tablets. The mix does support immunity, but it also supports energy, it helps maintain hormone levels, as well as digestion and gut health. A lot of you know about leaky gut and the need to heal our guts so we can better absorb nutrients, and this mix offers just that. I think that is the main benefit for me. That being said, I do not believe that supplements should ever replace healthy food. To keep our immune systems healthy, it's important to prioritize diet and then let the supplements add to the regimen. Let me show you how I use healthy foods in this smoothie in addition to the Athletic Greens. I also add in avocado, frozen pineapple, frozen mango, and coconut milk for the base. Blend. The yellow top is also made out of frozen pineapple, mango, some yogurt for creaminess, and coconut milk. I must seriously be ready for a change of the seasons because this one makes me want to hit the beach, and I am not even a beach person. The Athletic Greens supplement is actually quite tasty. It has no added sugar or junk in it. It does have a mild, earthy, and sweet flavor, and I like it in a smoothie, but you can also just add it to the shaker that it comes with if you prefer. I also love the way it's packaged. It's convenient, and if you get the subscription box, it totally sets you up to love your routine with Athletic Greens. So cute and inspiring. Let's do one more smoothie with Athletic Greens and one without. First, a green apple berry smoothie. A scoop of Athletic Greens goes into the blender with green apple, a lot of kale, ginger root, yogurt, almond milk, and honey. That is the base. The colorful top is frozen strawberries, banana, and your favorite milk, dairy or non-dairy. The green of this one is tart and sweet, balanced out perfectly by the strawberry banana topping. I think this actually might be my favorite because that tart apple is such a tasty pairing with the athletic greens mix and the sweetness of the strawberry banana topping. Last but not least, how about mint cacao? The green base is frozen banana, spinach, fresh mint, almond butter, vanilla extract, and I used cashew milk to switch up the nutrition, but anything you like will do. The chocolate flavored topper is frozen banana with cacao powder, almond butter, honey, and cashew milk, or any milk you prefer. This one tastes more indulgent, almost like dessert for breakfast, but I promise it's not too sweet. That fresh mint rather than extract helps keep it light. I will be honest, at first I hesitated at the price of athletic greens. You can buy it outright, or there is a subscription option that makes it much more affordable. But when I added up how much I was spending on buying supplements per month, it ended up being cheaper to get this. So it depends on you, but I was able to get a free 20-count travel pack included with your first purchase when you use the link in my description or athleticgreens.com/mindovermunch. That is a $79 added value. Most people start to see a difference in 7 to 10 days, but you can also pause and cancel your subscription at any time without penalty. I hope you are all staying healthy and well. Immune system support matters always, not just in the winter or when we're worried about getting sick. So I hope that these smoothies can add some flavor to your routine. I appreciate you being here. I will see you next week. And remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.